Hi, this is Grant Oliphant, CEO of the Prebys Foundation. At the start of the year, we shared that we'd be rolling out grants during the course of the year in a variety of ways. And I wanted to provide you a quick update today with how that work is going. I hope you'll forgive me as I look at my notes to share this information with you. We've already rolled out our SHARE initiative, which has now provided $9.1 million to 21 health clinics, providing critical care to a variety of populations in our community. You've heard about that, hopefully. We've also told you about our Leaders in Belonging initiative, which will culminate before the end of this year in the selection of 5 outstanding San Diego community leaders who are modeling what it is to create a better future for all of us in this place we call home. In the next few weeks, we'll also be rolling out initiatives to open up workforce opportunities for youth, to increase pathways for young people into our region's critical healthcare workforce, and a third initiative to improve medical research by recognizing outstanding scientists from underrepresented populations in the sciences. Later in the year, we'll also be rolling out initiatives to support arts advocacy, arts learning, and other programs to support the arts, as well as an initiative to support youth mental health. In the meantime, one of the techniques we've been using to support this work is to make research and development grants to support our own learning as we develop these programs. Let me give you a couple of quick examples related to youth mental health, since I just mentioned that as one of the initiatives we'll be rolling out later in the year. Over the recent months, we've made a $150,000 grant to the American Academy of Pediatrics. This initiative aligns closely to 2 of our program areas, healthcare and youth success. This grant is also an opportunity for us to come alongside 2 of our largest philanthropic funding partners, the Alliance Healthcare Foundation and Price Philanthropies. What we're hoping to learn through this grant is more about the youth mental health challenges that our community is facing, but also how to partner with our colleagues and potentially how to develop a point of view about the foundation's unique role in mental and behavioral health in San Diego. A second grant that we've made in this space is a $24,000 grant to the Trauma Foundation to support strategic planning work for improving access to mental and behavioral services in San Diego County. The Trauma Foundation has identified unequal access to new treatments that could be highly beneficial to many San Diego youth who have experienced childhood trauma. This grant was designed to help them develop a plan and roll out scaling their efforts. It has the potential to significantly impact many young people across the county at a time when we know mental health concerns have greatly increased among this population. It will also help the Prebys Foundation learn more about, again, what our unique contributions can be to improving mental health in the community. A third grant related to this issue is a grant we made to the San Diego Regional Policy and Innovation Center, $80,000 to help the center support the development of their San Diego Youth Wellness Report. Interestingly, one of the things we need to know more about in San Diego as we go into the youth mental health space is how young people are actually doing. And this is the challenge that the San Diego Regional Policy and Innovation Center has taken on. They're trying to help us as a community understand what the challenges are that youth are facing, how youth mental health comes into play in that space, and how we can all be working together to improve outcomes for youth in our community. And finally, another example of a research and development grant in this space was to a group called Izcalli. In 1988, a group of Chicano and indigenous men gathered for 3 days at the Barrio Station's Rancho Viva Elena. An enriching exchange of words, feelings, and spiritual energy was shared through discussion, laughter, prayer, ceremony, and reflections, all directed at the many issues facing the men as they pertain to the individual, family, and community. This was the beginning of what has come to be known as Izcalli's annual men's gathering, Circulo de Hombres. The gathering has grown. Now over 100 Chicano and Native American male-identifying individuals attend this circle from all walks of life. We were pleased to support this circle this year to help see how this particular approach of working together in community might begin to support a broader application of similar techniques in our community as we tackle the challenges of youth mental health. These grants are just some examples of the ways in which we've been making research and development grants over the course of the past few months to help us understand the work we want to do in the initiatives that were already rolled out and will be rolling out in the months to come. I wanted to share this with you so that you know about what we've been up to and what to look forward to as we work together to build a better San Diego for everyone.